Imagine this, you're working in a company and contributing to your PF every month. Suddenly, life takes an unexpected turn and you are no more. What happens then? Did you know that along with your PF and pension, you automatically get a life insurance cover of up to 7 lakh rupees without paying even a single rupee as premium? Yes, this hidden benefit is called EDLI scheme, which is Employee Deposit Linked Insurance Scheme. Today I will explain you everything about this scheme like eligibility, premium, benefits, calculations, who gets the money, and most importantly, how to claim the money. So stick till the end because I will also reveal some real life mistakes that employees and employers make which can cost families lakh of rupees. Hello friends, my name is Mansi and you have started watching Bosswala English. So first, what is EDLI? The full form is Employee Deposit Linked Insurance Scheme. This means your insurance is directly linked to your PF deposit. It's one of the 3 schemes managed by EPFO. The other 2 you probably know, EPF, which is Employee Provident Fund, and EPS, which is Employee Pension Scheme. It's a group insurance scheme. That means crores of PF members together form a large number of insured group, and because of this, every PF member gets covered automatically. Now the good news is, if you are an employee, you pay 0 premium. Your employer pays it on your behalf. The premium is just 0.5% of your PF wage. For example, if your PF wage, which is basic plus DA, is 10,000 rupees, so the monthly premium is only 50 rupees. But remember, you don't pay it, your employer does. Also, there is a maximum cap. The premium calculation is done only up to a wage of 15,000 rupees. So even if your salary is 50,000, the employer will only pay 75 rupees per month for EDLI. Eligibility is simple. If you are a PF member, you are automatically covered. You remain covered as long as you are working in a company that contributes to PF. Some companies provide their own group insurance with better benefits. In such cases, they can exempt from EDLI, but that is very rare. One myth many HRs believe is that you need 12 months of continuous service to be eligible. That's not true. Even if you have worked less than 12 months, your family can claim EDLI through the benefits, which will be little lower, but it will be there. So earlier, before February 2020, the formula was that 30 into average monthly wage, which is your last 12 months wage, plus 50% of your average PF balance. It will give you a maximum limit of 7 lakhs. So the formula goes like your average monthly salary into 35, which is capped at 15,000, plus the bonus, which is currently 2.5 lakhs, and the maximum possible payout will be 7 lakhs. Minimum assured is 2.5 lakhs. So now if your salary is 10,000, the PF balance is 1 lakh. Under EDLI, you will get 3.5 lakhs plus bonus, which is 2.5 lakhs, a total of 6 lakhs. But please remember, this result does not depend on your PF balance for most employees. Since your PF is under the EDLI calculation bonus cap, PF matters is average monthly balance is higher and the salary is at the cap, then the maximum benefit would still be capped at 7 lakh. If salary was 15,000 or above, the max is 7 lakh. If salary is lower, payout is lower, but not less than 2.5 lakhs. Okay friends, before moving on to the video, let me tell you about one more important thing which is very necessary for you and your family's financial future. And I am talking about a very good insurance in which Axis Max Life Smart Term Plan Plus can help you. They give a 1 crore life cover at just 578 rupees premium per month, 15% first year discount for salaried individuals, and 15% first year plus 15% lifetime discount is for working women, is which they provide. They also have a 3-hour claim settlement guarantee with 99.7% claim settlement ratio. They also have a special exit value benefit. The link is in the description box. Do check this out because insurance is one of the most important part of anybody's financial future. Let's move on to the video. Now what if your service is less than 12 months? So there is a different calculation for that because there are very less people who have a high PF balance in a very short time. In most real cases, families will get much less as compared to the person who has completed 12 months. So it's clear, the longer you work, the higher is the benefit. Now the question is, who gets the money? So the nominee gets the money. If you have filled your nomination in EPF, the claim will be smooth. But if no nomination is registered, the legal hire will get the money. But later it becomes complicated. Court certificates, proof of relationships, etc. are required. If the hire is a minor, the amount goes to the guardian. So always remember one golden rule. Always update your nominee online. It saves your families a lot of stress. Next question is how to claim EDI. So claims can be filed both online and offline. Online process is only possible if a nominee is registered. So you just need to go to EPFO member portal, log in your UN number, your nominee Aadhaar and the OTP. You need to upload the documents like the death certificate, cancelled check, nominee ID and etc. Submit an e-sign with your Aadhaar. Status can be tracked online only. And the offline process is like if no nomination is there, so you need to download composite death claim form. You need to attach a self-attested death certificate of the person, bank details and the Aadhaar card. Employer must sign and seal it. If company is closed, a gazetted officer or a bank manager can attest it. Then you need to submit it to the local PF office. By law, PF office must settle claims within 30 days. If delayed, they must pay you 12% interest. Now take this part as super important. Many employers mistakenly mark an employee's exit as left job instead of death in the service. For example, an employee was hospitalized for 15 days and unfortunately he passed away. So HR wrongly marks him as left job. In this case, the family will lose EDLI benefits. So the correct way to do is, even if the employee was absent, employer should mark the exit reason as death in service or death away from service. Otherwise, families end up fighting for years. So let's recap everything. EDLI is free life insurance linked to your PF. Premium is paid by the employer, not you. Max coverage is 7 lakhs. Even short service can give benefits, but full benefits come after 12 months. Always update your nominee. Employers must correctly file death in service. Claims are easy if you follow the right process. So this is a scheme every salaried person should know about it, but sadly very few do. So do share this video with all your friends and family so that it could literally save someone's future. Friends, if you found this video useful, do like, share and subscribe to the channel. Comment below if you want me to make some other videos on the hidden EPF benefits. And remember, knowledge shared is security gained. Let me know in the comment section if you have any doubts related to this video as well. And I'm Mansi. We'll see you in the next video.
Boss Wala. Be the boss.